I've been here at Adams and part of this community since 2004, both as a teacher and as an administrator. And we just need a modern facility for our students that would include elevator access. We are the only multi-level building in Spokane Public Schools that does not have an elevator. I had a student down in a kindergarten classroom in our basement a couple years ago that we actually had to hire a paraeducator to be with that student because the student could not maneuver the stairs. And so when class would go to lunch or out to recess or up to science in a different classroom, the student could not travel, and therefore the paraeducator would stay with that student in that space. Just yesterday in one of our classrooms, we had a leak coming from the ceiling. It's been addressed, but we constantly have our maintenance crews out working with us, whether it's on a heating issue, whether it's on a plumbing issue. We get a lot of TLC from our maintenance team. What a new modern building would do for our students is we would be able to focus more intentionally on the academics, the curriculum pieces, as opposed to trying to make sure that we're comfortable with the heat in the building, or that we're not needing to relocate rooms because individuals don't have access to get upstairs because we don't have an elevator.